So let's start with the next part of the prompt engineering. Prompt tuning. Now, like engineering, prompt tuning is also very important. In prompt engineering, there is another important factor that helps make the prompt engineering more appropriate and useful, and that is prompt tuning. Prompt tuning involves crafting and inputting a carefully designed text prompt into large language model. This prompt essentially guides the model's response, sharing it towards the desired output style, tone or content. Unlike traditional model training, which requires retraining the model on a large data set, prompt tuning only needs a small set of examples or even a well-constructed sentence to influence the model's behavior. How prompt tuning works? Designing the prompt. Now, this step is crucial and requires an understanding of the model's capabilities and tasks at hand. The prompt should be clear, concise, and aligned with the desired output. Inputting the prompt. The prompt is fed into the LLM. The model uses this as a context or a starting point for generating its response. Generating the output. The model processes the prompt and produces an output that aligns with the guidance provided by the prompt. Prompt tuning examples. By adjusting the initial prompt, the output of the model can be significantly altered to suit specific needs or context. Here are some examples of original prompts and their refined versions through prompt tuning. Content creation. Original prompt. Write a story about a dragon. Tuned prompt. Write a humorous story about a friendly dragon who loves baking cookies and lives in a magical forest. Explanation. The original prompt is broad and could lead to various types of stories about dragons. The tuned prompt, however, specifies the tone, humorous, the nature of the dragon, friendly and baking cookies, and setting magical forest, including the LLMs, to generate a more specific and tailored story. Professional email. Original prompt. Draft an email for a project update. Tuned prompt. Draft a formal email to a senior manager providing a concise update on the XYZ project, focusing on recent milestones and next steps. Explanation. While the original prompt is quite general, the tuned version specifies the audience, senior manager, the project XYZ, and the content focus, recently milestones and next steps, ensuring the more targeted and appropriate email for a corporate environment. Educational material. Original prompt. Explain photosynthesis. Tuned prompt. Explain photosynthesis in simple terms of a 5th grade science class, including the role of sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. Explanation. The original prompt could lead to a wide range of explanations suited for different knowledge. The tuned prompt, however, tailors the explanation for a specific audience, 5th graders, and highlights key elements to be included. Sunlight, water, carbon dioxide, making it more suitable for an educational context. Technical support. Original prompt. How to fix a router. Tuned prompt. Provide a step-by-step beginner-friendly guide on how to troubleshoot and fix common issues with a home Wi-Fi router, including restarting the router and checking the cable connections. Explanation. The original prompt is open-ended and could lead to a variety of solutions. The tuned prompt narrows down the responses to a beginner-friendly step-by-step guide, focusing on common issues and basic troubleshooting methods, which is more practical for non-technical users. Recipe generation. Original prompt. Give me a chicken recipe. Tuned prompt. Provide a healthy grilled chicken recipe suitable for a ketogenic diet, including ingredients like fresh herbs and olive oil, and avoid sugars and carbs. Explanation. The original prompt would result in any type of chicken recipe. The tuned prompt, however, specifies the dietary requirement, ketogenic cooking methods, grilled and preferred ingredients, fresh herbs, olive oil, while also mentioning what to avoid, sugar and carbs. So leading to a more targeted and recipe suggestion. Travel advice. Original prompt. Suggest a travel destination. Tuned prompt. Recommend a travel destination for a family with a young children, focusing on places with educational value and kid-friendly activities in Europe. Explanation. The tuned prompt narrows the focus to family-friendly destinations in Europe with an emphasis on educational and kid-friendly activities, providing a more tailored travel recommendation for families with young children. Fitness guidance. Original prompt. Give me a workout routine. Tuned prompt. Design a 30-minute home workout routine for beginners, focusing on body weight exercises that improves the cardiovascular health and require no equipment. Explanation. Instead of a generic workout routine, the tuned prompt specifies a 30-minute equipment-free routine for beginners, focusing on body weight exercises to enhance cardiovascular health, making it more suitable for those new to fitness or limited to by space or equipment. Language learning. Original prompt. Teach me Spanish. Tuned prompt. Provide a basic lesson in Spanish for beginners, focusing in common phrases for travelers like greetings, directions, and ordering food. Explanation. The tuned prompt directs the LLM to create a beginner-level Spanish lesson specifically tailored for travelers, concentrating on practical phrases related to greetings, directions, and ordering food, which is more applicable for someone planning to travel. Job interview preparation. Original prompt. How should I prepare for job interview? Tuned prompt. Outline key strategies for preparing for a job interview in tech industry, including tips on discussing programming skills and past software projects. Explanation. The tuned prompt focuses on interview preparation for the tech industry with a specific emphasis on discussing programming skills and also software project experience, thus providing more relevant advice for aspiring tech professionals. Environment awareness. Original prompt. Write about climate change. Tuned prompt. Composed an informative article on the impact of climate change on ocean ecosystems, highlighting the efforts on marine life and coral reefs. Explanation. Rather than a broad article on climate change, the tuned prompt requests an article focused on its impact on ocean ecosystem, specifically the effects on marine life and coral reefs, providing a more specialized and insightful perspective on the topic. Advantage of prompt tuning. Resource efficiency. It eliminates the need for extensive computational resources usually required for full-scale model training. Task specificity. Enables the customization for general-purpose LLMs for specific tasks without altering the underlying models. Speed. Prompt tuning can be implemented quickly, making it ideal for rapid development cycle. Applications of prompt tuning. Content creation, creative writing, journalism or advertising. Creative writing could be prompt tuning can guide AI to generate narratives, poems or scripts with specified themes, styles or character development. For instance, prompts can be tuned to produce a romantic or comedy script or a fantasy novel with specific plot elements. In journalism, prompt tuning helps in generating articles for reports tailored to a journalism specific news genre or audience. For example, prompts can be designed to create an in-depth investigative report on environmental issues, or a brief news summary for a local community bulletin. Advertising. For advertising, prompt tuning can create targeted ad copy that resonates with a specific demographic or aligns with the brand's voice. Advertisers can tune prompts to generate content for a youthful, energetic product campaign or a sophisticated luxury brand promotion. Customer service. Chatbots in specific industries. Industry-specific queries like prompt tuning can enable chatbots to understand and respond to queries specific to industries like finance, healthcare, or travel. For example, a chatbot for bank can be tuned to assist with the account inquiries, while one for healthcare might focus on appointment scheduling and general health questions. Tone and branding. Beyond just industry knowledge, prompt tuning can adjust the tone of the chatbot to match a company's branding, be it professional and formal or for legal services, or friendly and casual for retail business. Language translation, cultural nonsenses and industry-specific terminologies. Cultural sensitivity, prompt tuning can help translation models consider cultural nonsenses, idioms and local expressions, ensuring translations are not linguistically accurate but also culturally appropriate. Technical accuracy. In sectors like law, medicine, or engineering, prompt tuning can ensure that translations accurately reflect industry-specific technologies, crucial for technical documents or professional communication. Educational tools, study aids aligned with curricula or teaching styles. Curriculum-specific learning, that is, prompt tuning can generate educational content aligned with the specific curricula, such as creating practice problems for a high school algebra course or discussion questions for a college level history class. Adapting learning styles. Different teaching styles can be incorporated through prompt tuning. Whether it's generating interactive, exploratory, or questions for inquiry-based learning or detailed explanation for a more traditional teaching approach. Best practices for writing prompts. There are several best practices that may be followed to create better AI prompts. Experiment with rephrasing similar concepts in varied ways, using different modifiers, styles, perspective, authors, or artists, and formatting. Use different kinds of input such as examples, input data, instructions, or questions to enhance efficient writing prompts. Employ special modifiers supported by AI tools to enhance prompt engineering capabilities, including keywords or for styles, level of abstraction, resolution, aspect ratio, and word importance. Consider using prompt engineering in integrated development environments as a software tools to improve the efficiency of AI prompt writing. These tools assist engineers in fine-tuning AI. Thank you.